So in the past 48 hours, I've made over $7,000 from one of the exact side hustles that I'm about to teach you in this video. And honestly, a few years ago, I didn't even know this world existed. So if you're sitting there thinking, okay, Wendy, is this really possible for somebody my age? Trust me, I get it. I wondered the exact same thing. But once I saw what was actually possible, I couldn't unsee it. Kind of like that blue pill with the Matrix. Like, seriously, if you're even a tiny bit curious about how people our age are creating real remote income streams online, stick with me, my friend, because it gets really interesting from here. So today we're talking about the 6 best remote side hustles heading into 2026. What's working right now? Because if you're anything like me, you've probably realized something. That job that you're in, you're kind of just a number. Like, companies are downsizing left, right, and center. AI is replacing roles, and the 50+ crowd is often the first to go because they can hire somebody younger to do the same job. And if your retirement savings looks anything like mine did, you might have that moment of, uh-oh, we are still so stupid short for retirement. Like, I remember sitting here right at this kitchen table and thinking, Lord, what are we going to do? And that was my kind of turning point in my life. Now let's just zoom ahead to today. I've now earned well over 7 figures online, and I don't say that to impress you, but to impress upon you that there is something that 50-year-old people can do. And the best part, it's income that we can earn from literally anywhere, like my backyard, at my fifth wheel, or even on the warm beach. Because here, let's get this. This past February, I was in Florida, escaping the crazy cold winters that we get up here in Canada with my grandkids, a whole family trip. Okay, so here, let me show you this right here. Like, I was literally sitting in a lounge chair, enjoying watching my grandkids splash around and laugh and having some goofy fun with my son-in-law when this sale popped into my phone. And that is the power of learning automation, having an online business. It's the ability to earn remotely while actually living your life. And I get excited about this because that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. But before we dive in, if you want to understand how all these income streams work together, you're going to want to grab my Freedom Formula Blueprint. It's in the description below. It's exactly what I use to go from zero to now making a remote income online. So this will help you with your goals for 2026 to decide if this is a good fit for you. All right. So let's dive in. The first side hustle, now this one really is kind of the foundation, and that is YouTube. YouTube can become a real income stream. Once your channel hits 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch time hours, YouTube can start to pay you through AdSense. You know those little commercials that you see? You get to make a chunk of change from that. So here, let me give you an example of what my channel has done in just the last 28 days, like over $3,500 from AdSense alone. Now, to make this super simple and to help you visualize what I'm going to share in this video, I'm going to use one example, but I want you to think about what you would do on your channel, okay? I'm going to show you through all 6 different income streams how that works. So you can literally see how each layer builds upon the next and how one simple YouTube channel can start earning multiple streams of income. So picture this, right? We're going to use gardening. So you start a simple gardening YouTube channel where you can film videos like how to start your little seeds indoors in the spring, beginner herb gardening, raised flower bed setup, what to plant in early spring, how to revive a sad, dying basil plant, budget-friendly garden hacks, like you name it, on and on. Like, these are things you already know as a gardener. Not me, but you, if you were a gardener. So you take your beautiful information, and here is the beautiful part, right? YouTube is the foundation of everything that I do online. The traffic from YouTube flows into the next income streams that I'm going to share with you, including one that brought me in over $72,000 just last month alone. So lean in, because this is where it gets really, really, really good. And if you want help getting started, you're going to want to grab my YouTube Success Starter Kit. Like, it walks you through the exact steps that I personally used to get started on my YouTube channel. You can grab that in the description below. Oh, and you know what? If we haven't even met yet, goodness, I'm Wendy. I help fellow midlifers create flexible online income so they can enjoy more freedom in your next season of life. So, all right, let's keep going here. So the next remote income stream that you can add on is affiliate marketing. Now this one is very easy to layer in because it fits naturally with what you've already been sharing on your YouTube channel. So affiliate marketing is simply this. It's you recommending something that you are already using, like tools, systems, whatever. So somebody buys through your link and you earn a commission. So there's no inventory and no shipping and no customer service on your part at all. So sticking with that garden theme, people will always ask you from your videos that you've posted on YouTube, like, what soil are you using? Where did you get those raised flower beds? Now, what pruning shears are those and why do you like them? What seeds should I buy as a beginner? These are all perfect affiliate opportunities, and the list goes on and on and on. You can link gardening tools like raised flower bed kits, starter seed supplies, happy knee pads for your knees, watering tools, you name it, right? Like on and on and on it goes for your gardening supplies. Your YouTube channel builds trust. Your affiliate links start to create a little bit of commissions for you. And as your audience grows on YouTube, they start wanting deeper help from you, which leads into your next income stream, which is digital products. Like digital products give you something incredibly powerful, 100% profit. Yeah, you heard that right? Like 100% profit. You create it once and you sell it over and over and over again. So affiliate marketing is great, but digital products take your income up to a next level. So we're sticking with our gardening theme. You can create things, a digital product like a beginner's garden guide, planting calendars by the zones like seed starting checklist, raised flower bed layout templates, container garden plans, or mini garden workshops. Your YouTube channel brings the traffic. Your affiliate links help to bring you in some income. Your digital products give them deeper solutions to problems they might be having. And once someone buys, they often want a little bit more of you, which leads right into the next income stream, which is memberships. A membership is simply a paid community where people get ongoing support, accountability, and connection. Like think of it like an online garden club. You can offer things like seasonal workshops, garden challenges, Q&A thread, printable templates. People can share their photos of their plants and they can post it and you can answer questions about maybe if they're over-fertilized. This becomes a reoccurring monthly income for you because people love community and they love guidance. But some gardeners, they want even more personalized help. Which brings me to the next income stream, which is consulting. Some people don't want to figure things out like on their own. They want somebody to tell them exactly what to do and what to plant. That's me. So they want to know where to put it, what works in their zones, and how to fix specific problems that they have. So here's a quick story about me. I always say, like, I don't have green thumbs, and I mean it. Like, one of my friends came over. They saw my sad little garden and said, all right, Wendy, we are starting fresh. She took me to the store. We walked up and down the aisles. I helped to tell her what kind of plants I like. We chose those plants that I wouldn't kill. And she showed me exactly where to put them and everything. Fertilizer to use, you name it, everything. And honestly, I would have happily paid for that level of help. And the beautiful part is, you can offer this whole service online. Like clients can upload their photos, fill out a questionnaire, and you send back a personalized plan that they can follow. Pictures of plants, what to plant where. This becomes your high ticket income stream. It layers in beautifully on top of everything else I just talked about. So you can see how this is all, connecting together. Now this next side hustle I'm going to share with you, this is where I started. This is how I learned everything. And it was from an e-learning program. It was a live interactive course that I took. It helped me to learn digital marketing, email automation, content creation, affiliate marketing, how to sell digital products, and how to build a real online business step by step. And the best part that really kind of blew my mind is it came with master resale rights. This is what that means. Like, it meant I could resell the exact program that I was learning from and keep 100% of the profit. So literally, I took a course to learn all how to do this, and it gave me my first digital product that I didn't even have to create from scratch. So this became the foundation that helped me to retire myself in October of 2024 when I was 55 years of age, and helped me to learn how to make that 7 figures online, all from my phone, all from remote, my backyard camping while I was traveling, and even at that water park. and it works literally anywhere. This is the best starting point that I always recommend for beginners because it gives you that foundation, that understanding, and everything you need. It's like a business in a box. So if you're looking for a flexible, future-proof income, you are not too old and you are not too late. You just need a proven starting point, and that's what this is. And this was what worked for me, and this is what I always recommend to others. So if you want to learn how all of this works, you're going to want to grab that Freedom Formula Blueprint. And I also have a free class for you where it just kind of walks you through, explains everything so you can make the best decision for you. See if this is a good fit going into 2026. It's the exact system that I followed. So if you want to see how I took all of this, started making an income from my phone, and I used the exact system to retire myself at 55 years of age and make over $650,000 in my first year, you're going to want to watch this video right here, my friend, as I break it all down. All right, I will see you in the next video.
Hi. Hi.